help Syrian people, send help, put pressure on your government to send help to people. Today is not the day to concentrate on what Saddam thinks, or what Assad does, or it goes through the Assad's government, it strengthens him, or they should forget about it. We have to think about ordinary people's life. Kids dying. Syria is almost wiped off from map. We have to think of them.
هوال می زاروکاتی هبو دو قیزاوی هبون. او روزا که سیار بو بچ استانبوله خانی مزین سر ویدا دکه.
برای من مزین سر روزون واندا بیبو. ما و هوال ما در خستنه مرتنا الکتریتنا نا لویداره اینترنتی قطعیه اوجیتنا جبوه کی yani sad am nizanin li wê derê çi diqewime.
Girek bû çû yani mala we xeribiyê gegehare dergidin lê malê xwe dimay çi bû birê?
Na li wê derê na mal tiştek nemaye yani mala min jî hebû li wê derê.
Tune.
Na mal tune hemû hilweşeye yani na tiştek tune li wê.
We don't know what to do. We're confused. We want to collect money. We can't send it. I mean, I want to go there, we can't go there. We want to send, like, say, clothing or the tents or the food. The Turkish government doesn't let us to do that. We can't cross the borders. We're very confused. We're very angry. We're very upset. We're also angry with not with the people, ordinary people, but we're very angry with the international government states. They should stop Turkish aggression against Kurdish people. I'm sure they can, if they want it, but so far they didn't do that. I hope from now on they do understand how the cruelty of Turkish government, and they stop Turkish government.
Em dixwazin cil bişinin ji hevalan ra. Dibêje em naxwazin tişt bişinin wê derê. Yani tiştê em dişinin devleta Tirk bloke dike, em jî vê qabil nakin yani.
Afrin bu hala xwe hiliştîne. Alakarik çiye, ne dermanek çiye, ne jî xeber baş ji wirte ye.
Yani insan têşe, ew Tirk jî yani Arab jî bî dilê me dîsan têşe yani. Çîkanin cudayê bikin nav mirov bên va Kurda, va Tirka, va Araba, Aceme, va insana em bi insanî lê dinirin, gerek alîkarî ji hemû însan re here biçe.
When we look at the press, they say something about Syria, but they're not saying much about Syria, not about Kurds, not about the other people in Syria. They're more desperate than the Kurds in the north, because that people, they've just gone through the huge war. They're mentally damaged already. Their mental health is already damaged, and second time it's damaged. So the more international solidarity aid should go there.